Good afternoon, dear Forex traders. This is the latest business news on InstaForex TV channel. I'm Olga Vitkovskaya. Consumer prices growth in Australia appeared weaker than forecasted. Despite expected increase by 0.7% in the first quarter, inflation rate moved up by mere 0.4%. Thus, the annual inflation reading upped from 2.2% to 2.5%. The main driver of growth was higher prices for dwellings, tobacco and pharmaceuticals. Elevated inflation rate does not leave hopes for mitigation of the monetary policy by the Reserve Bank of Australia, which decreased demand in the Aussie. The Australian dollar lost 30 pips versus the American, having notched $1.24. However, it regained the lost positions later on. The sentiment has changed as the CB of Australia informed about inclination to purchase bonds of China. About 5% of all reserves will be allocated for this purpose. Thus, the economic cooperation between Australia and China will be stronger also due to financial relationship combined with trade. During the official visit to Beijing, the RBA's Governor Philip Lowe spoke about signing the agreement on direct conversion of the Australian dollar and yuan. Thus, Australia will be the third country to use such advantage. This is all about the latest economic events. Watch us on InstaForex TV. Goodbye.